Imagine transforming your ideas into vibrant visuals effortlessly. Welcome to FlexClip, where creativity meets simplicity. With FlexClip, you can cut, trim, and merge clips quickly, making your videos dynamic with text and voice recordings. FlexClip's powerful editing tools give you full control over video appearance, background music, and more, ensuring professional quality. Explore a vast library of stock images, videos, and music, along with stunning templates to boost your creativity. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a novice, FlexClip's easy-to-use interface and flexible editing features make video creation a breeze. Take advantage of AI-powered tools like AI image generation, text-to-video, auto-subtitle, and text-to-speech to elevate your storytelling. Capture anything on your screen with FlexClip Screen Recorder, perfect for webinars, courses, gameplay, and tutorials. Access over 4,000 royalty-free stock assets and integrate seamlessly with resource-rich stock media providers. Enhance your videos with over 1,000 text animations, millions of dynamic vector elements, and a rich selection of transitions and overlays. Get lifetime access to FlexClip today and enjoy all future updates. Try it out with a 60-day money-back guarantee. FlexClip, where your stories come to life.